boys and girls, Miss Huff here. We are going to go over to the results to our Kahoot game. Thank you for everyone who participated. After we go over our results, we will announce who came in first, second, and third place. Everyone did a great job. Looking at question number 1, what is our room number? We are 100% at room 108. Question number 2, on what day should our baby chicks hatch? That is day 21. It could happen on days 19 or 20, but it will be most likely day 21. Question 3, what county is our school in? Our county is Carteret County. Question 4, what is 125 plus 212? And the answer is 337. Question 5, which of the following is a verb? Remember, a verb shows action. The only word in that list that shows action is jog. Number 6, our baby chick started out as what inside the egg? And that is an embryo. They started out as an embryo inside the egg. Question 7, which word matches this definition? Where and when the story takes place. Great job, 100% on that, and that is setting. Question 8, which of the following numbers is an even number? Again, we have 100% at that. Good job. And it was 212 because numbers that end in a 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are even. Question 9, what is the value of the 7 in 798? And the value of 7 is 700. There are 700s in 798. Question 10, when we hold a flashlight to the egg to see what is happening inside, it is called candling. Good job. Everyone got that question right. Question 11, who was our first president? And we are at 100% again, and it was George Washington. Question 12, when you take clues from the text in your own background knowledge, you make an inference. You're making an inference. Question 13, 349 take away 39 is 310. Question 14, an incubator is an example of artificial heat. That is true. For it to be natural heat, the hen would need to be keeping the eggs warm. So yes, an incubator is an example of artificial heat. Question 15, which of the following is an adjective? Remember, an adjective describes a noun, and that is strange. Strange was the adjective. Question 16, Ms. Huff baked 134 cupcakes. Ms. White baked 147 cupcakes. How many cupcakes did they bake altogether? Altogether, we baked 281 cupcakes. But we know that's probably not true because Ms. Huff does not like to bake. Question 17, what time do we go to specials each day? We go at 8:15 in the morning each day when we are at school. Question 18, identify the adjective in this sentence. Mrs. Huff has 3 dogs, and the adjective is 3. Remember, adjectives can be a number that describes how many of something. Question 19, the answer to a subtraction problem is called the difference. Good job, everybody got that correct. It is true. If it was sum, that would be the answer to an addition problem. Question 20, what will the baby chick use to start cracking its eggshell? Good job on that, 100%. It is the egg tooth. Question number 21, Mrs. McClenny is our principal. Who is our assistant principal? Everyone got that correct. It is Mrs. Dudek. A lot of people think that Mrs. Kelly is our assistant principal. Good job. Question number 22, what is the name of the state we live in? North Carolina. 23, which of the following is an example of a liquid? And the example of a liquid is orange juice. Orange juice is the example of a liquid. All the others were either solids or gases. Question number 24, it says sequence our morning from the time we get to school until the time we go to lunch. Everyone got that correct? It's first we eat breakfast and do our morning work. Second, we go to specials. Third, we do math groups. And last, we do whole group reading and reading groups. Number 25, if you count by 5 starting at 77, which of the following numbers would you say? So you have to find the pattern before you can figure this out. The correct answer is 102. So if you start at 77 and you count on 5 more numbers, you would get 82, and then you would get 87, and then you get 92, 97, and you keep going that way, and you realize that every number that you say either ends in a 7 or a 2. Question number 26. Add the correct punctuation mark. Do we have library today? And that was a question mark. Good job. Number 27, 482, take away 196. This is a regrouping problem. And the answer is 286. Everybody got that correct. Good job. Question number 28. Remember the story of the Great Fuzz Frenzy. The groundhogs could not stop playing with the fuzz off of what object? Everyone got that correct. A tennis ball. Good job, because we read that story towards the beginning of the year. 29. Counting by tens. What are the next three numbers you would say? 160, 170, 180, and then you're going up 10 each time. So you would say 190. And then you have to be careful because your hundredths place does change. So it goes to 200 and then 210. Your next one, number 30. Pick the correct spelling of the word chewing, and it's Chewing. Good job. Everyone got that. And then the last question was just a poll. There was no right answer, no wrong answer. It was just to see how you feel about turning in assignments on Seesaw. So I will look at that, and if you need help, I will be reaching out to you. I'm also going to be posting a video tonight to help you learn how to log into Seesaw and to submit that first practice assignment. All right, boys and girls, it is time to announce who came in first, second, and third place. Thank you for everyone who participated. In third place, we have Addison. In second place, Mia. And in first place, Mackenzie. Great job, y'all. Bye.